In this scenario, we're going to show you how to automate the accounts payable process in Business Central. The steps in this scenario will be to initiate from an incoming document. We'll then correct and approve any of the details on that document and then receive from the OCR service. So we'll begin by initiating from an incoming document. Now there is a shortcut tile directly on the homepage of the Business Manager, and the My Incoming Documents is used to attach files such as a JPEG or a PDF to journals, sales invoices, etc. Now the OCR, or Optical Character Recognition service, supports the purchase invoice and purchase credit memo. So let's go ahead and select on My Incoming Documents. And you'll see here, I'm going to go manually create it from a file. So I'll choose and then need to browse out to my laptop or to my shared document services or SharePoint site, wherever I have the document. And then once I have that, you'll see here it'll open up, or it attaches my main attachment, and it creates that PDF or that invoice. And next I'm going to go ahead and send this over to the OCR service. So that has been successfully sent. I could see the status on the top right corner of this form, right? It says it's been released and that the document has been sent over to the service. Now, next, there'll be the approver who would be notified that a document requires attention. So then under the correct and approve, I can see here if I click on my incoming documents, let's assume I've switched roles as a manager or an approver, different than the individual who just initiated that process. So then if I go ahead and look and notice I've got documents that are awaiting my approval, you'll see here it's pending manual verification. The service is connected to an OEM relationship here. So the setup and configuration is simple, and it's been completed prior to this scenario. The approver can begin to review the process by selecting on it, and now go ahead and entering the data here. So I can double click on the documents, as you can see here, just to train and make sure the document understands all the correct data. So once I have all of the correct items, I'll then go ahead and select OK, and I can close this out. The status has been updated, and now the document export is in process. The service is returning the document to Business Central and then creating that purchase invoice. So if I come back to that same screen, and now I select on the Receive from OCR service, you'll see here I have had success, and now I go ahead and create. That's the next step, is to create that document. Once it's created, you can see here the record here. It's been created, the purchase invoice ending in 214. I can open that up, and now you'll see that scanned document came over in here into the purchase invoice, and it's ready for posting. We'll go ahead and close that out. And again, in this process to automate accounts payable, the idea was to demonstrate how from an incoming document we receive from a vendor, we sent it to a service that allows us to correct and approve it, and then that automatically creates that purchase invoice once we receive it. Clearly, the benefits are to reduce the time and data entry and also limit the errors and ensure we have the correct information in our financial management application.